vehicle, 2017 Buick. She's, hit like the rest of them. I did the top already because I just wanted to get it done. This is a brand new car. It's black. It's got the overspray on it. This is a Cadillac. I'm gonna do this one in the morning, like before the dealership opens. I'm gonna come over here about 7 in the morning. And, oh, I did this little test spot. Taking my clay bar here, clean it off. I got a light coat of wax on here, 1 squirt of Dawn dishwasher cleaner. Alright, I took the overspray off here, just wiping it off. That was with no compounds, no solvents. I'm not going to have to buff this or anything. Whew. You can tell when you've got a lot of overspray on one. See all the, that's the overspray in a liquid form now. Alright, I hit it with my right, and I'm gonna hit this bitch with my left. 1-2 punch. That way you make sure you get it all off. That means you've clay barred this panel twice. Beautiful. You look beautiful.
Gotta get the word out.
Gotta get the word out.
Yep. Here's just what you're looking for.
That's exactly right.
What year is this bike?
This is a 2017.
Oh, it's brand new too.
It's brand new money right here.
If you're not afraid of 4 or 5 years old, you can save a little more money.
Well, saves you money. Besides, it's just broke in anyway. These cars are phenomenal. They don't break into after 50,000 miles. Got my wax on here. Got my Auto Magic clay bar. Just gonna clay right through that wax. It's got a residue. It's turned into a liquid form, so I'm gonna wipe that off. Sweet. No compounds, no solvents. Just polished it, man. Claying through the wax gives it a little polish also. One of the most aerodynamic side cars for a sedan. Yeah. This here's the way this, the way this curves like this. All the way back here. It's got a lap right there. That's some aerodynamic action there, baby. Oh, in here. It's looking good. This car is aerodynamic. Look at that. Look at that reflection. See, when it gets flat, turn it to this side. It grabs it. You just let it pancake. If there's something under there, you're gonna scuff the car. So don't listen to anybody that tells you to pancake it, because they haven't cleaned a bunch of cars.
Do things cosmetically upgraded.
Come back and just hit it with a portal, because there's just no sense in buffing a brand new vehicle. Why would you do that? Why? Alright, this here Buick is done. This is number 3. 2 Buicks and that Cadillac over there. But look at that paint. Totally been repaired. Removed of any of the overspray damage. Mirrors all the way down to the very bottom. All the door handles, all this trim, everything. Deck leg looks killer. She had some overspray on her too. I love that body line right there. That right there is aerodynamic. Takes some doing. This one here, it was it. Alright. And there's the Cadillac I did. This was the second one. 1 Cadillac, 2 Buicks. Look at that hood. That's perfection. Cadillac has really stepped it up. That is a car right there, friends. All that's done, of course. When I finished it, they just said, we'll just put it in the showroom floor. That's actually where I'm cleaning these, in the dealership and showroom floor. I don't make a mess, so I can clean it wherever I want. Not get any water anywhere, no compounds flying, no buffers. All by hand in a portal. That is some sweet paint right there. Okay, this 2017 Buick is done. Get off of there. Okay, that's it. The dishes are done. That's enough for today. 3 black vehicles. That's all I want. I'm gonna do this Corvette sometime this week. she's got a lot of dust on it, but it's got that overspray too. So I'm gonna have to clean it up. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas on-site services. That dude is done.